Double train race? Okay.
I'll be on this. No, I'll be in this.
I'll be on to you. 1,
2,
2, 3, go.
Oh, you did it! And now yellow, mellow. Now it's me, black, and you yellow. I get black. I get red, you get yellow.
Ooh, red versus yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see which one to make. Okay.
I'm on this track. I'm the first.
Get ready, set, go. Oh, the red one's really fast. I think it's the fastest.
And now, yellow plus black.
Should we make, let's make them in twos. Let's do red plus yellow and black plus yellow. Let's do them like that.
Black plus yellow and more yellow.
Okay. Ready?
Set.
Oh wait, put yours even with mine.
This one?
Almost. There you go.
This one?
No, put the engine up front and then the car in back. So put the engine down. Okay. Put the engine in the tracks.
This one?
Turn it this way. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no! A crash!
I win.
It was too much train.